Terra Luna Classic continues to float around that 8,000, 8,500, 9,000 point per coin range, and we are seeing the significance of that level as a level of support. Now, guys, everything right now surrounding the price action, surrounding the cryptocurrency industry, it doesn't look good, okay? Prices are down, we get it. The industry is being just riddled by, well, riddles when it comes to regulation that's out there. And it's going to be very difficult to push through all of that uncertainty. But when it comes to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, when it comes to Terra Luna Classic burns, when it comes to the Terra Luna Classic community, we do have a lot going on. And I believe that the positivity needs to be highlighted. That's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be talking about burns. We're going to be talking about the proposals that are passing right now and what it means for Terra Luna Classic moving forward. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk, you need to hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet in order to make it your asset. Guys, we do have a lot of positive things going on right now. Just to kind of sum up very quickly the negative things, we've got, so much regulatory concern going on in the cryptocurrency space that, get this, Binance is leaving Canada altogether. Now, Canada was a very small market for Binance, but Binance is saying, no, we're not going to be dealing with these regulations. We are leaving. Think about what that's going to mean for the United States if they follow similar regulatory paths. If Binance leaves, I know that Binance US isn't one of the larger exchanges here, but if they pull out, if Coinbase pulls out, if the regulation in the United States and in Europe and all of these other places that we're starting to see right now begin to cause centralized exchanges to withdraw, it is going to be a very difficult path forward and much more difficult than we are currently seeing right now. So, major concerns surrounding the crypto market, but let's get into the good news, guys. Who wants to hear about the bad news? Let's first start with the Terra Luna Classic proposal that's on the board right now because it is passing perhaps with a higher percentage than we even saw with the burn tax way back when in September of 2022 there. This is for proposal V201, and this is the one that upgrades the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and is going to allow for LUNC to be in parity with Terra Luna and other Cosmos coins, hopefully by the end of the month. Listen to this, guys, 99.87% yes votes. Only 0.01% no votes. 0.01 or 0.05% no with veto. And only 0.07 of all of the votes are abstaining at this point. And it has passed quorum. We already have 599.68 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. It seems like everybody is finally in agreement with something, and it's to upgrade the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. So this is not only a huge indicator of Terra Luna Classic moving forward, it's a huge indicator of the community rallying together and finally agreeing on something. Remember, a lot of these recent proposals have been passing with like 50 to 60% yes votes, and that does show a huge kind of rift in the Terra Luna Classic community. But when you've got 99.87% yes votes, it is obvious that people are in agreement that this is the best path forward for Terra Luna Classic, and already having the major validators jump on board and voting yes. So Is this going to make the price of Terra Luna Classic jump up? No, probably not. Is this going to revitalize the chain in a way that we are seeing new all-time highs? No, probably not. But what it does show is the Terra Luna Classic community is coming together in agreement, which is an absolute positive sign. Now let's talk a little bit about burns, guys, because we are going to have Binance coming up with their burns in a couple of weeks, burning all of their trading fees, or 50% of their trading fees, sorry, from May, which is going to be an excellent burn. But we've got another burner out there, and they just need to be highlighted, right? It is DF Protocol, I believe, DF LUNC out on Twitter, and I believe they've already burned 1.6 or nearly 1.7 billion Terra Luna Classic, over the last month or so, right? I haven't looked at the most recent numbers today, so they might still be burning and might be burning more, but here's kind of my thoughts on these guys. If they are burning, it is great. Right? You need to celebrate those that are contributing to either building, burning, talking about Terra Luna Classic, promoting Terra Luna Classic, getting people excited about Terra Luna Classic in some way. And these guys are absolutely doing so. Now, I believe, and they may be doing it other ways as well, but I believe they've got DFC or some other little token out there that we have seen this stuff before. Lunatics token and all of these other cremation coin and stuff like that. They build themselves up around burning Terra Luna Classic. And here's what we need to know. Okay, if you are interested in buying any of these little tokens, you need to make sure that people stay excited. Right? Because we have seen it time and time again. And these little coins, they build themselves up around burning another token like Terra Luna Classic. And then the initial hype, that initial first week, that first month, the volume tends to slow down and people become less interested in it. And then, of course, the burns begin to slow down. And as the burns begin to slow down, people become even less interested in it. It's like a negative cycle. If that happens with DFC, I mean, just be aware. It's happened with so many coins before. It doesn't mean that it was unsuccessful because they've already burned the Terra Luna Classic. So that they've accomplished what they wanted to do. And you may not just be able to make a ton of money buying that other coin, but it is absolutely beneficial to the Terra Luna Classic community. So guys, we've got burns going on right now. We've got builds going on right now with the upgrading of the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. We just don't have the bull market in the overall crypto space because of all of these regulatory concerns and regulatory riddles, regulatory nonsense, regulatory... Don't get me started. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below. We got burns, we got builds, we've got upgrades, we've got all the good stuff. What's your favorite? Down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. And we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 and 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.